Well, hello everybody, my name is Day and welcome to my channel. Welcome back now. I'm back with some new product I have here. Anyway, this is the package I received a couple of days ago. Let's open it. It's actually from ANWIKE, ANWIKE, I don't know how to pronounce this, ANWIKE USB 3.1 HDMI and VGA adapter 4K. It supports 4K. I have checked their product on Amazon and it's you get it for somewhere around $20. I'm not sure how much it costs in Europe. So this is what I'm talking about now. I hope you will see it. ANWIKE DISHA USB 3.1 Type-C HDMI VGA adapter multiport. It supports 4K Ultra HD screen display adapter for MacBook Pro 13 and 15 inch. Let's open this package. Instruction manuals, and that's the box. It's nicely packed. Here we have some user manual. You can actually plug two screens, as you can see here, but maximum resolution for two screens if they are connected simultaneously to the port here it's 1080. It doesn't support 4K if you connect through VGA and through HDMI. It's mostly made of aluminum and there's some plastic, but what I like here is this golden connectors. Really quality product. The cable is short, but you don't need any long cable here. So this cable is actually very thick and sturdy. And what I like here that you have these holes for screws from the cable. See, you have the screws for the cable. Many laptops doesn't have this, and many laptop doesn't even have that ports anymore. That's why we need this. So I will now plug this monitor. It's from LG. It's quite old monitor. It doesn't support HDMI. It has VGA and this DVI port. Let me just say something about this adapter here. It's a 4K HDMI port, USB Type-C. I need to tell you one thing that I hate and I don't like. I know MacBook doesn't have any other ports than USB Type-C, but I have other computer that is Asus ZenBook, and it has mini HDMI port. And when you have some presentations to make, and you have in the classroom projector with the old VGA input, so you have a problem now. And that is why I'm very happy that I received this adapter, and I will try it now on this monitor with the MacBook Pro. Plug in this adapter. We will see if this will actually do their job. I'm inserting this and now flickering here on MacBook, and the picture is here. That is great. I'm impressed. We have, as you see, I have different pictures on the screen of MacBook and on the monitor here. So I have extended desktop now. If I close this, you see my background here from MacBook. There's dot that is appearing from the bottom, and it's quite old monitor and it's working flawlessly with the MacBook. And the screen is also doing great job here. It's really nice. The colors are great. Despite you can do this on MacBook, any color profile you want. So let me open and turn on this Asus ZenBook and try to get the screen to work. And let me insert this USB Type-C adapter VGA. It works. Great. It's actually mirrored settings. So if I go to this option here and make an extended desktop, I have the extended desktop now, and this is the first screen, this is the second screen. Now I will try to do this in my living room with my big screen TV. Yeah, 1080p, 1080i, 720p, and 4K, 3840 to 160. And also 1600 and 900. I'm very impressed with this. I recommend it if you need, VGA on your MacBook. This is very useful because you have two options here, and also option for older screens like this one. I'm very impressed. Thumbs up. Great job. Thank you, ANWIKE, for sending me this to try it, to review it. I recommend it. If you want, I will put the link in the description below. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just you know what you have to do. Just hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because I will I will put more of these kind of videos on this channel, and you will be notified very soon when I upload it. That means instantly. Yeah, that means instantly. When I upload new video, you will get notified. Especially if you click that ring bell in near the subscribe button. If you hit that ring bell there, you will get notified. So yeah, make sure that you hit that like button, and leave me a comment if you have any other questions about the adapter. If you have any other propositions of what kind of videos you would like to see, and yeah, what else? Oh yeah, I know. See you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.